folks, it's me again. If you're new to my channel, this is the Monday what's new. Again, there's not much new. I've been working on a house, been doing electrical work. Finished unloading insulation, unloaded 100, actually, well, helped. We ordered it, helped load it because my father-in-law thankfully unloaded half the bundles insulation. I think there was 53 bundles insulation, 100 lats. It's not exactly a lot of stuff, but when you're tired and just been working all week, you just don't want to move lats. So, but I did it anyway. It's not a big deal. It's not that they're that heavy. It's just they're a pain in the ass because they all fall apart in each other. So moved that. We moved the rest of the insulation. The week before that it was plywood, something else. So I've been working on that. I didn't make any videos of it because it's really boring. It's like, yeah, there's 1,000 other better construction videos out there than what I could produce. But I'm sure I could produce a good one. What else is new on my channel? I'm still waiting to move this joint. I don't know what's going on with that. I'm not even going to ask because it's, I don't know. It's going to happen eventually. It's just not going to happen right now, pulling magnets off here. In the meantime, I do have a couple of new tool videos. I got another yellow tool. I got a critique of some other tool I've been using that I noticed sucks, like these earbuds. But I'm not going to critique earbuds. The thing I don't like about these, my wife won a Christmas tree thing where you get all kinds of gifts. So she gave me these earbuds. I use them when I drive my truck because my truck's so loud I can't hear the radio or the phone. So I use these. Plus I've been listening to like podcasts and stuff, so it's kind of cool. I used all my data on my phone, so I can't listen to anything else. They're throttling my whatever internet down. So, what was I going to say? Got a couple of tool reviews this week. Next week, I was going to do some videos this weekend, but I'm watching my kids all weekend. Well, for some reason, the recording stopped. So yeah, I was going to do some stuff this week. My wife's going away this weekend, so I'm watching all the kids. So I can't do any videos this weekend, fix stuff. Can't do anything on, probably do something Sunday night. Monday I can't because I'm going to pick up chips. Tuesday night maybe. Well, no, not Tuesday. I go to fire department training on Tuesday when I'm not watching the kids. So during the holidays, I'm going to try to pump out a bunch of videos of me doing some things. There's a few things I've been dying to do, but I haven't had enough hours to get done. Like, you can't just do something in 1 hour. Like, you could do small things, but set up the camera, come here, unload the thing, and it's just, by the time you're done, an hour's up. And I've been getting up really early in the morning, so it's nice to just get to bed early. So I've been trying not to stay here till midnight. Get home, time I'm done, it's like 1 o'clock, then get up 6 hours later, and like, mind you, I'm not as tired anymore since I changed my diet severely. I don't eat sugar and carbs anymore, so I've been able to function a lot better, but it's nice to get a good night's sleep. With that said, I won't bore you for another 9 minutes. So keep an eye on the channel. I still got a lot of things. There's still a handle I want to make for the machine advice. I gotta, I have to go pick up the frame for the Honda. I also I was going to do a tool review on, I bought a part review. I bought a shock online. I want to figure out how to take it apart so I can clean it. But it's a used shock. I paid almost nothing for it. I will be getting some more parts for the sandblasting machine to put it back there. I'm going to start putting it back together. Once I get all the top straightened out, I'm going to take it off and work on the bottom. I was going to do that this weekend, but apparently I'm not allowed to do that because my wife's going to have fun, so I'm not worried. It's going to get done. So maybe Sunday night I'll come in, I'll cut all the plates. I'll give them a spot weld. Yeah, good spot weld together. I forgot about that. I own a spot welder. Anyway. So anyway, with that, that's pretty much what's new this week. You'll see some tool videos. You'll see some random, shorts. Got a couple of new subscribers. If you're my 1,375th subscriber, thank you very much for subscribing. If you're a bot, well, oh well. I'll accept any subscriber I can get, bots or not. But thanks for subscribing. I will keep doing videos. They may not be super wonderful. I may not be Mr. Beast, but I don't want to be. And just like I said, if you're new to the channel, this is just me vlogging and blogging and making videos. I don't do this for a living. I just do stuff for fun. So if it's a shit show in here and you think it's a mess, well, that's just what I'm doing. You know, it's more eye candy for you guys to enjoy. Just for me to do whatever I want. So thanks for watching, and I hope you're enjoying my whatever I like to do. Thanks for watching. Oh, and I found the microphone, so maybe some better quality audio this week until I lose it. It was under a pile of bags. So thanks for watching. Toodles. Did I stop the video? What the hell? Why is it not stopping? It's weird.